Here at Vans Tire Pros, when it comes to your vehicle, nothing is more important than having safe tires to keep you on the road. Don't drive another day with worn tread or unbalanced tires. Come to our local tire shop to see our wide selection of top brand name tires at affordable prices. Our tire technicians have years of experience installing all types of tires. We get you out the door and on the road with a new set of tires within a couple of hours. So contact us now, make an appointment, or come down to our shop and browse our wide selection of tires. No credit needed financing, or sign up for a Tire Pros credit card. 0% interest for 6 months here at Vans Tire Pros.